Morning students, I'm your English teacher. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. Don't go out, obey your parents. This is your English period. As you all know, we have completed our periodic exams, right? Now we will start our post-periodic syllabus. Today we will study lesson number 8, The Old Man and the Tiger, from English Literature course book. Okay, so students, just now I will tell you a short summary, a little bit of the chapter. Okay, that The Old Man and the Tiger, it is a story about two main people. They were the old man and the tiger. Okay, firstly I will tell you about little bit of the old man. The old man was a poor man and he has many children, daughters and sons, but they were very young, so they could not help their father, just like his wife was also always busy in the household work. Household work means busy in cleaning, dusting, then cooking, filling water. She was always busy with her household work, so she also could not able to help her husband. And then it was the old man only who went alone only to the forest and cut the trees, and then he used to sell the woods in the market. So I have told you a little bit of the chapter. Now we will read the whole chapter, okay? Then you will understand more, okay? It was just the starting, students. Let's move on to the chapter. We will do firstly the reading, then I will explain you further. Students, as I earlier told you that today we will study The Old Man and the Tiger. That is lesson number 8, The Old Man and the Tiger, page number 75. Let's read the chapter. A poor old man lived with his large family in a small hut in the middle of a forest. His sons and daughters were very young. They could not help him earn money. His wife was too busy cooking, cleaning, washing and looking after the children. She could not help him earn money. I have told you it is a story of two people, the old man and the tiger. And the old man was he was poor and he used to live in a hut with his large family. His daughters and sons were very young, so they could not help their father, and her wife was too busy in cooking, washing, cleaning, looking after the children, so she also could not help her husband. Now, every day the old man went deep into the forest and chopped wood. He gathered the wood, tied it in a bundle and carried it on his donkey to a nearby village market. He sold the wood and bought food for his family every day. Now, every day means daily the old man used to went to the forest and chopped wood, and he used to gather, it means he collected woods and make it and tied it in a bundle and put it on his donkey and take it to the nearby, to the pass-by village. And over there he used to sell the goods and he bought food for his and he buy food for his family. One day, when the old man was busy with his work, he heard a loud growl. He put down his axe and stood very still. He was afraid of ghosts and he thought to himself, "Oh dear me, if that is ghost, it may do me some harm." He was frightened. One day, the old man was busy cutting the wood. Then he heard a loud growl, means he heard a loud sound of some animal or some ghost. Then he put down his tool. The tool was axe, and he put it down and stand like a statue. He stand very still, because he stand like a statue because he was afraid of ghost. And he thought to himself, and he was now speaking to himself only, "Oh dear me, if that is a ghost, it may do some harm." He was speaking to himself. "Oh, if it is a ghost, then it will harm me." He was very frightened. He was very afraid. So now what will happen? Just then a large tiger came out of the bushes. Just then a large tiger appeared in front of the old man. "Do not be frightened, old man," said the tiger. "I won't harm you. You are old, but you work hard. Sit down and rest for a while and let me do your work." Now the tiger could speak. Okay, you all know that animals don't speak. Over here you will see that the tiger could speak. He says, "Don't be afraid of me, old man. I won't harm you. I know you are an old man and a hard-working person." And he says, the tiger says, "Sit down and rest for a while, and the tiger will do the work." He says, "Let me do the work." The old man was surprised. He did not know that tigers could talk. What's more, this tiger was offering to help him. Now, the old man was very amazed. And he was surprised that how could a tiger could speak. And what's more, because the tiger was offering him to help him. So students, today we have studied the page number 75. Tomorrow we will study these two pages. Okay, students, today I have explained you one page of lesson number 8, The Old Man and the Tiger. Your homework is read the chapter and write down 10 hard words in your copies. Right? Students, be safe, stay at home, don't go out. Have a good day. Thank you. That's all for today.